Earlier this year, in April 2021, two people were arrested in connection to an incident where a condom was found in a temple's Hundi in Mangaluru. The temple belonged to the local Mangaluru deity, Lord Korgajja, who is seen as an avatar of Lord Shiva. The arrested have been identified as Rahim and Tawfiq from Jokate area in Mandalore. Addressing a press meet, Police Commissioner N. Shashi Kumar said that in the last 3 months, 5 cases have been registered at Ullal, Kadri, and Pandeshwar police stations over miscreants dropping objectionable items into the offering boxes of temples, including a condom at the Korgajja Katte temple. However, the police were not able to track down the culprits behind the desecration of the temples. But suddenly after some time, the duo Rahim and Tawfiq started going to the temple in order to pray for forgiveness from the priests. Initially, the priests thought the duo was making fun, but finally, they confessed their heinous crime at the temple and surrendered themselves to the people there, who later handed over them to the police. The reason why both Rahim and Tawfiq were so scared that they went back to the temple to confess was because the third and the main culprit, Nawaz, who had put the condom in the Hundi box in the first place, had died under mysterious circumstances. Soon after his crime, Nawaz started acting insane, which then turned into blood vomiting and dysentery. Finally, Nawaz died by banging his own head on a wall, his last words being that Lord Korgajja is angry with the culprits. After the death of Nawaz, Tawfiq also started suffering from similar symptoms like vomiting blood. This scared them so badly that they decided that they will be saved only if they confess and seek forgiveness for their crime from the Lord and the priest. Narrating the incident, the police commissioner added that the accused, Rahim and Tawfiq, were in touch with the priest of a Korgajja Katte located at Yemmekere ground to confess their mistake. They were called during the Nemotsava, where they confessed about involving in such heinous act. As per the primary investigation, they have committed the act in 3 places. The modus operandi looks similar. Incidents like these are happening every day in some part or the other part of the country. And these are done specifically by 2 religious communities, especially where there are more forced conversions are happening, or where the Hindus are minority in that particular region. We need to bring stringent laws to punishment to such jihadis, and at the same time, temples must be restricted for people from other religions who believe in their scriptures, which mentions that the idol worshippers are sinners and only deserve hellfire. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.